We're going to do? What are we doing?
Peacock Animals.
What kind of animals?
Peacock Animals.
Are they peapod animals?
Peacock Animals.
Peapod animals?
Peacock Animals.
Okay.
Peacock Animals.
Pre-pack animals?
Peacock Animals.
Peacock animals. Is that what it is?
Yeah, it's like Peacock Animals.
Okay, so now since we know that they're peacock animals,
It's Peacock Animals.
okay, what's this?
Duck.
Is that a peacock duck or just a duck?
Peacock duck.
Okay, great. And who's that?
Peacock pony.
The peacock pony. That's like a tongue twister. How about this?
Peacock kangaroo.
It's a peacock kangaroo? Okay.
There's a peacock animal.
I see. And who's this?
Peacock.
Is that the peacock or just a peacock?
Peacock.
Okay. And who's that?
Peacock caterpillar.
Peacock caterpillar. Great. And who's this?
Peacock wombat.
Peacock wombat. And what's this?
Peacock hen.
And how about that?
Peacock alien.
Peacock alien. Okay. And who's this?
Peacock whale.
And
Peacock whale.
and who's that?
Peacock hippo.
Yeah. Are those all the peacock animals?
Yeah, peacock animals. Yeah. The peacock animals.
Okay.
That's peacock animals.
Lots of peacock animals.
Lots of peacock animals.
Yeah. Okay. Here we go.